What's going on, boaters? Behind me is a 2026 130 Boston Whaler Super Sport. This is the perfect little runabout boat for you and your family, or even your grandkids. Let me show you guys a few of my favorite features. Starting off on the exterior is that you have your classic desert tan with your white graphics. This boat does come with a magic tilt trailer. It is powered by a Mercury 40 horse 4-stroke. You have your nice telescoping ladder in the back, easy to get in and out of the boat. You have your 2 cup holders in the middle for you and your passenger. You also have a glove box in the front. And you have a nice big storage compartment in the front for anchors, towels, life jackets, whatever you need. If you want to see more on this boat, come check it out at MarineMax in Nisswa or visit it on our website at MarineMax.com. This boat is not going to stick around for long.